You can count on channel for daily news about XRP and Ripple. Today's episode will be about Ripple's latest legal challenge and the changes in the cryptocurrency markets. Even though Ripple just won a case against the SEC, it is now facing another class action lawsuit. This makes people wonder about XRP's regulatory status and investor protections. At the same time, investors are paying attention to rumors that BlackRock might launch a spot XRP ETF and a big drop in the price of Bitcoin after the halve. These rumors point to big changes in the way people invest in cryptocurrencies. David Schwarz, Ripple's CTO, will also talk about the company's blockchain plans for 2024 and make a big claim about XRP's value. Even though there are questions about who created Bitcoin, here are some reasons why XRP coins should be worth $100 each. Come with us as we look into these important changes that will affect the future of cryptocurrency. Please think about subscribing if you haven't already. If you already subscribed, please click the like button and tell us in the comments what about Ripple and XRP is most exciting to you this week. After its big win in court against the SEC, Ripple is going to have to deal with another class action lawsuit. It was filed in the Northern District of California and says that Ripple, its CEO Brad Garlinghouse, and its subsidiary XRP2 LLC broke federal and California securities laws by selling and buying the digital asset XRP without being registered. The court said the case could be a class action on behalf of two groups, including everyone or anything that bought XRP between July 3rd, 2017 and June 30th, 2023, and either kept it or sold it for less than what they paid for it. The defendants, including Ripple, have said they did nothing wrong and that they were not required to list XRP as a security. It's possible that this move will lead to a long legal battle. In conclusion, today's episode covered Ripple's latest legal trouble in a class action lawsuit and looked into how the cryptocurrency market is changing. Speculative predictions about how the price of Bitcoin will change and the talk about BlackRock's possible XRP-based ETF have brought this to light. In light of these events, a lot of people are looking forward to hearing what Ripple CTO David Schwarz has to say at ETH Denver about the company's blockchain vision and why XRP is worth more than $100 per coin. These talks show how complicated the web of legal chat. There are financial and technological factors that affect the world of cryptocurrencies. Ripple CTO David Schwarz is going to be at the upcoming ETH Denver event and is going to talk about the company's blockchain vision for 2024. He recently sent out a tweet saying that he would be talking about things like blockchain interoperability and EVM programmability. These talks are likely to be very informative about the future of blockchain technology. Schwarz is also likely to give his opinion on why XRP, the digital currency used by Ripple, should be worth more than $100 per coin. Cryptocurrency fans who have been following Ripple's progress over the years are likely to be very excited about what he has to say about this subject. A lot of people are going to be interested in Schwarz's talk at the event. What he says about the future of blockchain technology and Ripple's plans could have a big effect on the cryptocurrency market. Because of this, a lot of cryptocurrency fans are looking forward to his arrival. More people can still sign up for the event if they want to hear Schwarz in person. The festival is now in its third year, and Schwarz has invited people who follow him on Twitter to come hear him talk about things like blockchain interoperability and EVM programmability. A tweet he sent out said that he would also talk about Ripple's plans for the blockchain in 2024. Schwarz helped create the XRP ledger. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies are likely to pay close attention to him at the event. There will be a fireside chat with him, and the topic of conversation will likely be Ripple's plans for the future of blockchain technology. Schwarz has also been in the news lately for making fun of Craig Wright, who claims to be the founder of Bitcoin. Schwarz replied to a tweet sent out by a person named Joseph P. Gardling, who had shown that Wright did not know how to code in C. The tweet says that Wright would not have been able to write the Bitcoin code. Schwarz then looked at Wright's old blog and found several problems with the code. These problems, in his opinion, make it clear that Wright is not the fake founder of Bitcoin. He said that mixing up numbers and digits is a beginner mistake and that programmers with more experience would not make such simple mistakes. A lot of people in the cryptocurrency community have talked about Schwarz's comments, and a lot of them think that his appearance at the upcoming ETH event will give them more information about Ripple's plans for the future of blockchain technology. People who are interested in cryptocurrencies and want to hear from Schwarz in person can still sign up to go to the event. An expert in cryptocurrency says that BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, might be thinking about launching an exchange-traded fund ETF based on spot XRP soon. The asset manager BlackRock hasn't said much about its plans to launch a spot XRP-based product yet, but an expert thinks that BlackRock might say that it has filed paperwork with the US. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC for the creation of a spot XRP ETF as soon as the case between Ripple and the SEC is over. A group of people who support XRP called the XRP Army has been pushing for a spot XRP ETF at the same time that demand for spot Bitcoin ETFs has been rising. Supporters of XRP say that the cryptocurrency should have its own exchange-traded fund ETF on the spot market since it was ruled by a court in July 2023 to not be a security. In a new post on the X social media site, analyst Ashley Prosper looked into the rumors about BlackRock's possible move on what used to be called Twitter. Like many others in the crypto community, she thinks the asset manager will make an announcement within a few weeks of the case ending. Ripple's sales of XRP to institutional investors are at the center of a lawsuit that is now in the remedies phase. A member of the XRP community said that an XRP-based product would bring in more money than BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust, but the exact launch date for a BlackRock spot XRP ETF is still unknown. IBTF. As of today, IBIT has around $6.6 billion in assets under management since it started trading on NASDAQ on January 11th. This keeps it as the best provider across all 11 ETFs. XRP Crypto Wolf is sure that if BlackRock made a spot XRP ETF, it would beat out the IBIT, which is doing very well, because BlackRock is the leader in the spot Bitcoin ETF game. See, a possible XRP ETF would bring in huge amounts of money from investors who want to bet on the sixth largest cryptocurrency without having to buy or hold it themselves. The performance of XRP has been very good over the last few months. Investors are getting ready for what could be a wild ride in March. When you look at the CryptoRanks data, you can see a tempting mix of patterns and outliers that point to big changes coming up in the next month. XRP ended the month in positive territory, which is only the second time in 5 years, and a performance that was better than expected. Data shows that the average return on investment ROI for February, which is usually negative at -4.12%, jumped to a shocking 6.11% this year. This sudden turn of events has made people even more excited as March approaches. Looking ahead, March looks like it will have its own surprises. The average return in the past has been positive 2.1.2, but the median return has been negative 4.18%, which shows a less optimistic outlook. However, XRP has been growing every March since 2021. In 2021 and 2023, there were big gains of 37.7% and 43%, respectively. The fact that the average and median numbers are not the same shows how uncertain the future of XRP is. Will March be the next month in a row that XRP makes money, or will the median figure win out and show a less impressive result? Investors are waiting for answers. They get ready for what looks like it will be a very important month for the popular token. In the end of today's episode, we talked about Ripple's latest legal trouble in a class action lawsuit and how the cryptocurrency market is changing. We looked at how people are guessing Bitcoin's price will change and the buzz about BlackRock's possible XRP-based ETF. In light of these events, a lot of people are looking forward to hearing what Ripple CTO David Schwarz has to say at ETH Denver about the company's blockchain vision and why XRP is worth more than $100 per coin. These talks show how many complicated legal, financial, and technological factors affect the world of cryptocurrencies. We'd like to know what you think about these things, especially on the case that each XRP coin should be worth more than $100. What do you think makes this kind of value for XRP